Let me show you how to install and use beautiful free fonts for your wedding invites in Microsoft Word. You can search for free fonts online. We will download free fonts from Creative Fabrica to show you the process. Do check the terms of use and license information on the website you are downloading the font from. On this website, we can simply choose the font we like and click the download button. This font is called Loving. We will use a few more fonts: Brittany Charming, Anita Corlina, and Beautiful. The fonts are now downloaded to my computer and can be found in the Downloads folder. I am going to install these fonts now to be able to use them in Microsoft Word. I will double-click the folder and then double-click the file with the font to open the file. Then, I will just click the Install button. Next, I will go to Microsoft Word and highlight any text I want to format. I will go to the Home tab and choose the font from the drop-down menu. The font I have just downloaded is called Anita Corlina. I will choose this option. You can adjust the font size as needed. We can change some of the letters, making the text more decorative. Let's change the E at the end. Delete the plain E. Then, click on Insert and Symbol. Choose the More Symbols option. Find the name of the font you are using on the drop-down menu and select it. Select the character you want to use. In our case, we are using a decorative E. Click on the character and click on the Insert button. As you can see, the letter E at the end looks different now. You could copy the decorative E and use it to replace the plain letters. We are using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy-paste. We have made the font slightly smaller, and we are adding some extra space in between the words. Let's install another font. This one is called Beautiful. Select the font from the drop-down menu to format text as before. This time, we will select the lowercase option. Let's replace the first letter and the last letter. Delete the S and go to Insert, Symbol, as before. Choose a decorative S. And click on Insert. Change the E at the end as well, in the same way. The text looks more special now, with hearts at each side. The next font we are installing is called Brittany Charming. Let's change the color this time. And let's check what symbols are available for this font. You will find that each font you install has a unique set of symbols. We will insert this little heart. And we'll copy the heart in front of the text. Here again, we are using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy-paste. Our last font is called Loving. Let's install it and use it to format text. We will increase the font size, change the font color, and replace the plain E at the end with a decorative one. The plain E can be deleted now. These are just a few examples of fonts you might like. You will find countless other fonts online. You can experiment with using different font colors and inserting symbols. You can use these fonts for making your whole wedding stationery set, from save the date cards and wedding invites, to place cards, menus, and thank you cards.